What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Mimikyu from Pokemon. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayons. I'm gonna start with drawing its left cheek, so we're gonna draw a curved line to the corner there. And then I'm gonna make a turn slightly to the left and up. And then from this point, I'm gonna draw a curvy line, curly, to the tip of the ear. So we're gonna go in and out, and in and back out. And at the tip here, I'm gonna make a turn back down on the other side. And we're gonna continue going in and out and back in, and then I'm gonna go straight down to the middle section of the head. So we're gonna draw a curved line across to the right ear like that, and then at this point over here I'm gonna draw a curved line out and make a turn, a semicircle turn downwards and to the side. And then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn back on the other side, and then turn it down to the right side of the head. And at this point here, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards to the cheek and towards the neck. And at this point over here, I'm gonna draw a curved line there and a semicircle turn back down, and then another curved line downwards. And then from there, I'm gonna turn it outwards and then make a semicircle turn on the other side. And then I'm gonna make another turn down and to the side, and then diagonal turn to the left and up to the left again. And I'm gonna go down on this side and up again and to the side and up on the side, on the left side there. And then I'm gonna take that point and draw a curved line all the way to the left side of the face there. On the lower portion of the body, I'm gonna add a few details that's coming out on the bottom part right there. Another one here, another one here, and the last one at that corner. And in the middle of the body, we're gonna add two ovals like that. And then for the tail, I'm gonna draw a zigzag line from this point here up to the side and extend it outwards on the upper parts. And then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn down on the side and another semicircle turn back to the tail. And I'm gonna make another zigzag line following the same shape as the inner line. So going back to the tip of the tail, I'm gonna draw a curved line across the back portion there, and a short curved line there, and another one below that. Now going back to the ear, I'm gonna draw across a wavy line on this part right here, and also on the right ear. Okay. Now for the eye, we are going to do random doodle. I'm just gonna make it very random. I'm just gonna go into it and just, you know, make it like that. And the right one, we're gonna make it a little bigger. Can have fun with this and just go free with it. And then for his mouth, we're gonna make it thicker for the mouth. So I'm gonna draw a zigzag line across below the eye from the left to the right, something like that, and back up at the corner. Now for the red cheeks, I'm gonna use another color here, and we're gonna do similar to the eye. We're just gonna go free with it. But the overall shape must be somewhat like a circle. So I'm gonna just go in with that. Oops. Just gonna pick a different color right there. Just go free with it, you know. And on the right side as well.
And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and find my videos helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to let me know of your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below.